She's so much nicer now. Moves so fucking smoothly. Easy. I just need to do one little adjustment on this right there. But it's so much easier to do now. And I have it done properly. I removed the needle bearing out of there. This is a whole new plate. This is new. This is new. Where's my flash? She goes from this like this. I'm just going to do some adjustments on this. Figure out how to get this to turn and be solid without having it stationary. But so yeah, so far the upgrades are new hold down pins, bigger, beefier, stronger. I redid the ways on both of these. Well, fine-tuned them. And this is my third iteration of this setup, but it works so much easier now. And I've gotten rid of the backlash. I don't know if you can see it, but it's moving both ways instantly. So much nicer now.